Say my name, please. She wanna drive a Mercedes.
On YouTube.
Mama save me.
I just got back from the range. This here was supposed to be the body. I was trying to just aim for the body. I probably had like, what I did, 5 yards away. I did 5 yards away, and then I did 10 yards away. It's my body. I missed a couple up there. Missed a couple. I was trying to aim for the shoulder area. Missed one right there, but for my first time going to the range in a minute, and my first time I shot a Glock 19. It was a Glock 19 Gen 4. It's a mixture between both of these though. It's a mixture between the Glock 19 and a mixture between the Mechanic TP9. Shooting off the phone right now. Just want to make a quick little vlog, man. This one here was my headshots. Now, I know it's a lot that I missed trying to aim for my headshots, but I'm still practicing. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do just aim shots. This here was shot. These all right here was my Glock. I was trying to aim for that circle there. Got a little bit. I was getting close my first 2 shots, but after that, I was aiming too low. But the majority of these are just mechanics because that's my gun. I'm trying to really learn how to use it. But I'm trying to aim for the head. I got a good little couple of them in the head. The rest are just all around the body. We're good. If anybody ever think I'm going to Nexus again, boy, you crazy, boy. I spent like $80 at Nexus, bro, just for some goggles. I had to do a membership, $10 membership. Then I had to do the headphone protection. And then I rented that Glock. Like, man, I wish I didn't rent that dang on Glock. And then they talking about $17 to get some bullets. I should have brought my own bullets, boy. I should have. I don't know what I was thinking, bro. I should have just brought my own, but I don't know what I was thinking. But I know next time, boy. I know next time I'm finna go to a cheaper range. And I just gotta practice, bro. But I just wanted to shoot out a quick little video, man. First time going to the range. I finally got a day off from work, man. I went into work just for a little bit, and I left. But I'm gonna try next time. But I think next time I'm gonna try that Glock 17. I'm gonna try that out and see if I like it. But man, y'all go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to see any gun videos of me and my girl, me going to the range and shooting, man, y'all let me know, man. You know, I'm finna go and get me a thumbnail, boy.